Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I have several different part-time job leads in today's video. I have several different full-time job leads. We have billing jobs, we have customer service jobs, we have a little bit of something for everyone. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always going to be directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, or you can leave it in the comments below. Don't forget, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, I do just want to quickly mention, please bear with me through this video if my words and the screens are not completely matching up for some reason. My computer has decided to lose its mind this Monday morning, and it's running a little bit slow, so I've noticed with some of my other videos that I have put out this morning that sometimes there's a lag between me switching screens and me talking. I see it live on my end, but for some reason it doesn't record correctly. But without further ado, first up we have the company Metlife. Now, Metlife is a company that manages all kinds of benefit programs, from insurance companies, dental benefits, things like that. I think they manage like car insurances and all types of just different benefits. They have 6,900 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience specialist. Now, this is paying $20 an hour. It is remote for the United States. All of these jobs that I'm sharing are for the United States only. They're looking for somebody to start by December 4th of 2023. Training is going to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time for 5 to 6 weeks. So they give you complete paid training. So you do need to convert your hours if you're outside of that Eastern time zone to see if that will work for you. But after you finish training, they are looking for somebody to work a permanent shift of 12:30 to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday. But with this specific customer service position, they're looking for somebody to work directly with people who have pets, providing solutions for their pet insurance needs, acting as a liaison between the internal departments such as claims, billing, and sales. You're going to manage inbound email, chat, and phone calls from the customers for the purpose of providing that great customer service, handling all those interactions in a timely manner, trying to give them one-call resolution, building strong knowledges of any services offered, and learning in order to assist with policies and claims details. So you're going to act as a go-between for like claims, billing, sales departments, answering questions from all of those different departments. And if you can't answer those questions, of course, you'll escalate that up as needed. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. But moving right along, we have the company Allegion. Allegion has 642 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.1 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a part-time customer service representative. Now, please note, this says remote Indiana, but it does not state anywhere in the job description that it is restricted to just people who live in Indiana. So I don't know for sure if they're hiring throughout the whole United States or they have state restrictions. Please remember, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply just sharing what I find online. But they are looking for somebody. This is going to be part-time weekends. They're looking for somebody to work Saturdays and Sundays, 9 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. doing customer service. You're going to be supporting customer service by verifying the accuracy of service orders and service requests in a timely manner. You will review, edit, process, and verify the accuracy of service requests in the inbound systems such as 5.9 Service Channel, FM Pilot. You're going to initiate the follow-up on any required actions in response to any change requests. You'll communicate with the appropriate departments as needed, recommending any changes to existing methods and systems to increase the accuracy, efficiency, and responsiveness of the customer call center. You might also have to provide backup support to other group members in the performance of job duties as necessary. So basically, you're just going to be receiving, evaluating, and answering any customer inquiries from a general nature in a timely manner. Now, again, they're looking for someone to do the 9 p.m. to 7:30 a.m. shift Saturdays and Sundays. They only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 3 years of experience in some kind kind of equivalent work experience, so like customer service, things like that. You do have to be able to troubleshoot issues and make decisions. Above that, you need to be good with your communication skills, including like typing and email, and be able to use those Microsoft Office systems. Now, pay for this position is going to be $22 an hour. Next up, we have the company One Call. Now, One Call has 647 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a retro billing associate. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $17.49 an hour all the way up to $25.35 an hour. Basically, the retro billing associate is going to review bills submitted by payers and channel partners via One Call's retrospective program. You're going to associate and follow state and federal guidelines, fee schedules, and customer-specific rules to make sure that you enhance savings for the clients. You're going to learn and remain current on billing protocols and regulations, all the federal and state regulations, and any internal policies. You'll provide subject matter expertise on billing and coding guidelines and regulations required by the department, identifying any trending opportunities related to these policies. So you're basically going to review, research, and initiate any resolution of billing errors, making sure that those bills are correct, going out correct per policies and guidelines, and that there just are no errors at all. This only requires a high school diploma or GED, no college degree. They do want somebody who has knowledge of billing rules and federal and state guidelines, someone who has great customer service skills, great communication skills, and can navigate a computer, being detail-oriented, and being able to multitask on a computer in multiple different systems and screens. And last but not least, we do have another part-time position. NCSA College Recruiting has 621 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a part-time member support coordinator. Now, this means that you're going to provide customer support in all aspects of maintaining memberships of the NSCA student athletes. You're going to manage all the forms of inbound contact like phone calls, emails, text from the members of the NCSA network, providing world-class customer support and evaluating the status of every client in every interaction, providing that direct to ensure the member stays on a path towards the success of his or her membership. So you might also not just take inbound phone calls, but proactively outreach to clients who are not progressing at their needs and direction, ensuring that they stay on path towards success. So you'll ask them what's up, give them pointers, things like that. Now, they do prefer an associate's degree, it says, or customer service experience. If you have enough customer service experience, they will take that over a degree. They're looking for somebody who can be detail-oriented, organized, and have problem-solving skills. Of course, you got to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, and Outlook, and they are looking for somebody who can work some on the weekends. Now, this is part-time. You must be available on Saturday and Sunday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., and they're paying $15 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video through all of my rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please don't forget, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I'm out here searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.